of these lash glues work, period. None of them. These lash glues are just not doing it for me. If I had to do top two, this is coming in second place. The lifting in the corners, the lifting on the edges, it's not gonna do that with this duo. I just don't love it because it's white and it takes a long time to kind of dry down. But once it dries down, you are good. Coming in at number one is going to be House of Lashes. Love about this glue, I do love that it's black. I think the black is always going to get me over the white because as you can see, that residue, I'm just not loving it. But if it's black, then you can't see it. So very nice tubing. The application is super thin and you see it's nice and black. There we go. So yeah, House of Lashes is my number one. These are my top two lash glues. If anyone out there has any other ones that you love, that you want to drop down in the comments, feel free to do so. Until next time, ciao.